6 crazy details in cars. Number 1. The squeaky birds from the Pixar short For the Birds are seen sitting on their electric line. Number 2. Since Lightning McQueen is a first-year Piston Cup racer, he sports the traditional yellow rookie stripe on his rear bumper. Number 3. Real-life brothers Tom Magliozzi and Ray Magliozzi play the Rust-eze Brothers, and they were the hosts of a Radio Hall of Fame show called Car Talk.
When they offered us money to do it.
Number 4. The infamous Pizza Planet truck from Toy Story can be seen in the crowd with the Elvis car right next to him. Number 5. While Guido is an actual Italian name, the name also translates in Italian to I drive.
Pete stop.
Number 6. Luigi's license plate is 445108, and this is actually the latitude and longitude for the main Ferrari factory located in Modena, Italy.